How to securely store your cryptocurrency. Securing your cryptocurrency is paramount as hackers and thieves are constantly on the lookout for ways to steal these digital assets. By following proper security measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of losing your cryptocurrency. Here are some of the most secure methods for storing cryptocurrency. 1. Use hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices designed to store your private keys offline. They are considered the most secure method for storing cryptocurrency because they are immune to hacks and malware. 2. Use paper wallets. Paper wallets are offline documents containing your private keys. They are an inexpensive storage method, but not as secure as hardware wallets. 3. Use cold storage wallets. Cold storage wallets are software wallets that store your private keys offline. They are more secure than hot wallets, which store private keys online. 4. Choose reputable trading platforms. If you plan to store some of your cryptocurrency on an exchange or trading platform, make sure to select a reputable and well-established one. 5. Follow general security practices. Use strong and unique passwords for your accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for all your accounts. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or attachments in emails and text messages. Keep your software and operating system up to date. Use a reputable antivirus and firewall. Be aware of common cryptocurrency scams. Additional tips: never share your private keys with anyone. Employ a strategy of storing your cryptocurrency in multiple locations, such as hardware wallets, paper wallets, and cold storage wallets, for added security. Regularly monitor your transactions and report any suspicious activity immediately. By adhering to these security guidelines, you can safely store your cryptocurrency and protect it from hacking and theft.